Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2019 GMC Terrain and I will show you which fuses to check in case ABS light is on your instrument cluster. This video will apply to GMC Terrains made from 2018 all the way up to 2024. First thing and easiest thing to check are the fuses, and then if those two fuses are good, then you will have to do a bit deeper diagnostics, scan the system to get the codes and follow up on that. But most likely then you're dealing with either failed ABS sensor or corroded or broken wiring towards the sensor. Both ABS fuses will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood, just next to the battery, right here. Now to remove this cover, you will have a couple of black tabs, one here, one here, one here. You want to press onto this and lift up to unlock it. Once you have removed the cover, on the back side of the cover, you will also have a small fuse diagram. And right here, access to all of the fuses. First fuse to check will be fuse number F22, which is a 60 amp fuse located right here, responsible for power to anti-lock brake pump. And second fuse will be fuse number F27, which is a 30 amp fuse responsible for power to anti-lock brake valves. So these are the two fuses. So like I said, if these are good, then you'll have to scan the system, follow up on the codes, and most likely you're dealing with either a failed ABS sensor or the wiring. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.